Hi, and welcome to Talking Tech. I'm your host, Alejandro Hoyos, and today we're here at CES 2026 at the Adata booth. And today we're going to be looking at some avant-garde memory development that we have here. We have the world's first quad rank CUDIMM memory modules. And today to talk about it, we have Luca. Hey, Luca, how's it going?
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes.
And it's great to see you. And so give us a little bit more of a background on what's going on here and how is this quad rank memory revolutionizing the industry.
So the key advantage of having quad rank memory modules is obviously the increased density, right? So now you went from dual rank to quad rank, you can address 4 ranks at the same time. And that means that you actually can finally have memory modules that have an increased amount of density. For instance, in this configuration, every bank has 64 Gigabyte on a single memory module.
Wow, that's impressive. And I see you have some really nice motherboards here. So who are you guys using here?
So this specific prototype is from MSI. They actually were very nice to help us to get our hands on testing models so that we could actually finally come up with the first prototypes ourselves.
No, that is great. And we also have other motherboard partners working in there, from Asus to Gigabyte to ASRock, that will be coming in. So it's really nice everybody working together and also helping you guys enable that. So I have a question for you. What has made this jump into memory capacity, into memory density? What has been that motivation to push that way?
Well, obviously the low-hanging fruit for applications is clearly AI. With added capacity and still sustaining higher speeds, because this is actually the second part of the increased density. By keeping also the frequency being pretty high, you do get the capability to keep in memory very large models, for instance, for edge AI systems that do inference. And so by keeping large models in your memory, and with higher density, you can operate better for edge AI.
I know, this is great. And I'm very happy to see how you guys are pushing the technology, pushing the envelope. And I can't wait to start playing with these and actually do a system build with this. And Luca, I'd like to thank you so much for having us here. I know you're very busy and I appreciate you.
And we want to thank Intel for being at the forefront of memory development so that we can bring everything further together.
Thank you so much for having us. It's been a pleasure.
The pleasure's all mine.
I appreciate it. All right, guys, I know we're gonna go check out some other motherboard vendors that are also gonna be showcasing this type of memory. So let's go see. All right, folks, so right now we're here at the MSI booth, and it's really cool to see other partners also embracing the quad rank CUDIMM. And as you can see, this is what we were talking about earlier, up to 256 gigabytes of RAM in 2 sticks, so actually have it in 2 channels. So it's awesome to see that everybody is embracing it, and I can't wait to see and also to visit the other partners to see what they have. We're here at the Gigabyte booth and it's looking amazing, and we're running into here also the quad rank CUDIMM modules. They have it right here. They're showing it to everybody so they can actually see, and they can actually walk in here and see the specs, see what frequencies they can have, what amount of transfer they can do, and also the capacity that we have talked throughout the whole day and then in this video. And now we're just gonna go check out the next one. All right, folks, we are here at the Asus booth. As you can see, they also have a motherboard that has the quad rank CUDIMM memory module. I'm actually very excited to actually have it in my hands. I was thinking to put it in my pocket, but I don't think they're gonna let me out with it. But yeah, I'm very excited about what we have here. It is sort of a prototype, kind of the first release here. So probably later on, you're gonna see with some heat sinks on top of it and all the bling and lights and RGB, because more frames per second comes out of RGB. I'm kidding, don't believe that, I'm just joking. But yeah, pretty excited about this and can't wait to guys to be able to experience it, me too. And I'm a little bit of a geek. A lot of this is the clock, but we can talk about that later. See you guys.